Hello, so this week we are talking about dynamics, and oh, you betcha, I'm going to be using my run one more time, and once we're at the end of this video, I'll show you why that I'm recycling an animation that I've done, but I think you'll see that it's worth it. So let's go ahead and take a look at dynamics. Now, obviously, I have a dynamic control in the tail and in the ears, and when I hit play here, that curve, that hair follicle is what it's actually created out of, is going to do the tail, obviously moving left and right here, the ears bouncing with it, gives it a really good look and a really effortless way to do a run cycle, or a run cycle with a tail and with ears that are moving. Now, just for the sake of experimentation, let's go ahead and select our keyframes here and turn off my dynamics. Okay, so let's see what happens. Now the dynamics are turned off on the tail, it's a whole lot more boring. Obviously, we're still getting a little bit of a nudge around the butt because the control right there is stretching and pulling since the rest of it isn't moving. But if we pause, undo just enough, and we'll take a look at it one more time with the tail motion. And the difference is quite staggering. So now that I've shown you that, I'm going to show you the what I've been working on and the reason why I'm recycling an animation, and I'm just going to do this really fast. Basically, I have been working toward, obviously I want to be a technical artist, and I've been working toward creating a Pythonic coding environment that is going to make it really easy to create tools in Python with it. So I've got my my entire setup here in PyCharm. I've been working on my dependency nodes and my tag nodes within my, I still need to figure out my attribute nodes, which is really going to take things to the next level. But for example, like what we're looking at is I've got my DAG nodes working through my OpenMy API script, which is pulling a couple of different things from Maya and allowing me to edit them in my own way. So for example, you'll see that I have like a lot of things like shape, children, parent, a lot of different tools, moving, move here is pulling from match move, which is in this script over here. Anyway, it's a whole lot of stuff, and I've also got like my test environments that I've been working out and making sure that everything functions properly and all that. But I've got this code snippet here, and the idea of it is that and this is something that I will obviously turn into a UI in Maya, and it's going to work a whole lot better once I figure all that out, is that it's going to be pulling from my own little environment here, as well as Maya.cmds, obviously. And as long as we have a control group and a model group, which I have over here, we're going to pretend that everything here, all of these are just like rocks floating around in space. As you can see, all it is just spheres right here. But what this is going to do is it's going to take each one of these, our quote-unquote rocks, and it is going to create a control right here. So we got our control that is being created and named right here. So the name is going to be rock underscore control plus the string of number plus 1 that we're enumerating on. That is going to create our name for the control, radius 1.5, and then it's going to parent the control to the control group and move the control to each individual quote-unquote rock. We're going to create our offset group, set the control color to yellow, and then do a parent constraint and a scale constraint. You'll notice that a lot of these is not how you would normally write things in Maya. That is because I did simplify a lot of this with my own modules. So if we highlight that, run it, boom, everything now has a control. If we look in our control group, every control is named individually with its own offset group. It makes that so much easier, and as you can see, the controls work rather beautifully. Anyway, so just thought I'd show that on the side. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.